Good morning, students. Lesson number 1, Yoga. The introduction of yoga. We all are very much familiar with the word yoga. Nowadays, this word has reached to each and every house through media like newspapers and televisions. Yoga is an excellent gift presented to the world by the ancient India. It is an ever new science. Yoga is much more useful in the present times than it was in the ancient times. It is not that yoga encourages only individual development. Hence, due to its important universal acceptance, the United Nations Organization UNO has declared the 21st June as an International Yoga Day. There is a description of yoga in many volumes of the oldest literature like Vedas, Upanishads, etc. etc. In fact, we can see 6 darshan, system of philosophy. Very first, Sankhya, second Yoga, third Nyaya, fourth Vaisesik, fifth Purva, sixth Uttar Mimamsa. He was an expert also in grammar and Ayurveda over and above yoga. Yoga is not a shastra, but it is a science of transforming life by knowing truth of life. Students physically strong, mentally peaceful, intellectually brilliant, heartily delighted and sincere and honest in his day-to-day life dealings. As a result, the yoga is such a potential activity so as to bring welfare of the society, nation and the entire humanity. Swami Vivekananda has said, every individual has the potential to attain divinity. Yoga makes our union with the hidden divinity possible. Means it manifests that divinity. Here we can see the different approaches of yoga. In our volumes, the word yoga has been used differently. There are bhakti yogas, karma yogas, jnana yoga, raj yoga. The same is called Patanjali yoga or simply say yoga. Illusions regarding yoga, so many, but here we can see yoga is not for common people but only for sant sadhus. Yoga is a superhuman divine subject. Yoga is for beauty. Yoga is a type of miracle. Yoga is a subject of regarding discourse, religious communicable subject, type of exercise, only asana and pranayam. There are so many illusions regarding yoga. Here we can see the benefits of yoga. Yoga is a science of both body and mind. World Health Organization has emphasized yoga training as an important link of physical mental health. Yoga is an internal experiment, like it is a subject of experience. The nervous system is a very important medium for achieving knowledge. Efficiency of a nervous system depend on the flexibility of spine. The spine becomes flexible by performing asanas. So yoga is a important and useful subject. Yoga is a subject of direct experience instead of reading and lecturing. Hence, initially yoga should be practiced under the guidance of expert. So here our yoga chapter is over.